Oh, hey there. Josh here. So, good morning. It's Wednesday. It's the live stream this morning. Before the bell again, I actually hit my max loss pre-market. I didn't think I was going to trade at all because of what happened yesterday, but then I took a couple of chances today and it just didn't work for me. So let's get into that real quick. I'm going to get out of here again early today. No trading at the bell. So this is, let me see here. I traded two stocks this morning, Mara and JFIN. Now, Mara is not usually the type of stock that I would typically trade, but there was nothing else happening, and I was looking at this right here, like this, and I was looking for a 1 hour higher low. This is the hourly time frame, so I was looking for an hourly higher low, and I was looking for the hourly higher low to be set down here. I was like, is that going to be our higher low on the hourly? So what I was doing was watching the 5-minute time frame. We were here, and this is where we bottomed out, and then we have this uptrend, and then we were pulling back. So I was looking for a trend change back to the bulls on the hourly, and here we had this little higher low and higher high right here. So that's where I bought it, and it wasn't, I guess, a significant enough higher low and higher high because bulls weren't really buying that. It actually pulled back and I got stopped out into here. Small loss, $21, no big deal. I was thinking that's fine, I can overcome that. It's not that big a deal. I knew what I was risking when I got into it. I was risking 25 and I lost 21, so that's pretty good. And, that could be our higher low still down here at 751. It's just really choppy. Light on volume. So, kind of outside my wheelhouse. Probably shouldn't have even tried, but I thought I'd give it a shot. And then JFIN hits the scanner at around 550, 553 or whatever, and it's breaking out up into here. And we can look at the larger time frame here. This is a pivot right here, and that's what we were breaking over. So let's go back and look at that. So it was breaking out right here. Now, I didn't buy the breakout on this. I waited for it to pull back. At least I'm pretty sure I didn't buy the breakout. I might have. No, I didn't. So I waited for it to pull back. Let me get rid of this line here. There's a pivot right there. So I bought this as it pulled back into this area, and I had put a limit order. Oh, that's right. This pulled back right here. Oh, yeah. So, okay, so where I first traded this, so I did buy the breakout on it. It was right here. Shoot. Get this to work for me. Okay, so it was breaking out right here. I waited. I saw this $4.39 level. I put in a limit order down there. It started to pull back, and it didn't quite get to my limit, and the bulls bought the dip, and this started to move above 450, so that's where I jumped in it. And then it started to, pull back here a little bit. So then it came down. And so then I put my limit order down at 439 again, and I got filled. So now I'm in it twice. I'm in it once up here on the breakout around 450 and once at 439. It continues to pull back, and I'm debating on whether I want to add or not, because a good entry spot is down here at the volume weighted average price. And that's where I would have definitely gotten in had I not already been in. I would have probably hit the buy button a couple of times there. But I actually put in a limit order, and it came down and I got filled. So now I'm in it 3 times on this pullback. This is a little unusual for me. I don't typically trade that way. In the past, I usually take big losses. Sometimes it can pay off. Well, right here, it started to bounce right here. And I had my limit order around 439 to sell. I moved it up because I thought, well, maybe this is the bottom. This is a pretty good chance this is the bottom here, and we could see a move back up. So I thought, okay, well, you know what? I'm just going to move my limit order up. I'm not going to sell it right away. I'm going to see if I can make a bunch of money on this, and I would have. But bears had other ideas. They came back in, slapped the price back down, and as soon as this started to break down here, I hit the sell button, and of course it dropped just a second before I hit the sell button, and so I took a bigger loss than I wanted. I sold down into this push down here, so I lost 101 bucks on that trade right there. So I'm a little over my max loss on the day. It sucks. I hate having 2 huge losses in a row. I really didn't want to lose more than 50 today, and so hitting 100 2 days in a row, that hurts. But that's okay. You know, it's part of the game, and I'm not worried about it. I have a really nice looking trend here. Well, that's not it. Let's refresh this. So I was never green on the day today. So there we go. So 2 red bars in a row. Pretty good pullback on this phase 2. I'm still in good shape. You know, it's just the market isn't working for me at the moment. I think maybe I need to take a step back tomorrow, not be so aggressive in my trading, especially not buying a stock as it's moving down. That's never a good idea. Unless that is your strategy, that's not usually mine. So anyways, I think I'm going to approach tomorrow with let's buy. Oh, here we go. Sorry about that. This is my P&L chart right here. So two red days in a row. But I think tomorrow I'm going to approach my trading with something a little more quality setup, like, okay, let's wait for an actual drop to the volume weighted average price and then get in, because I could have made some good money on this stock. So I think I'm going to approach it that way tomorrow. Take it easy. Don't try to get too aggressive. Just try to have a small green day just to get back on track here, at least. So that would be really helpful, I think. So I hope your trading has gone well today, and hope you haven't really botched it like I have the last couple days. So take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow, Thursday morning, right back here again, and we'll try it once more. Till then, adios.